High above the silent mountains, an eagle glides effortlessly through the sky. Its wings stretch wide, catching invisible rivers of wind. Every turn is a quiet dance with the air. For centuries, the eagle has symbolized freedom and power. Yet it remains a creature of instinct, bound to the rhythm of survival and the pulse of the wild. To watch an eagle in flight is to witness mastery of the skies. Each feather responds to the smallest shift in wind, working in harmony. It doesn't fight the air, it listens to it. From high above, it surveys miles of wilderness, its sharp eyes spotting the slightest movement below. What looks like effortless grace is the result of countless generations of adaptation. Every flight tells a story of balance between power and beauty. The eagle flies not for show, but for life itself. In its silence, the sky becomes both home and battlefield, where instinct guides every motion. Far below, the land moves slowly, trees sway, grass bends, life hides and reveals itself. The eagle circles, patient and silent, waiting for the perfect moment. A flicker of movement catches its eye. Muscles tighten, wings fold slightly. Then, without sound, it begins to descend. The fall is swift and precise, a blur against the sky. Time seems to pause. With sudden force, the hunter strikes. Its talons, curved and sharp, end the chase in a heartbeat. It is not cruelty but survival, the ancient law written in every breath of the wild. On the ground, the eagle stands over its prey. Feathers ruffle in the wind. It feeds with purpose, each bite a ritual in the balance of life and death. Brutal yet sacred, this act sustains the circle of nature. What dies here gives life to another. Nothing is wasted. When hunger fades, the eagle retreats to a high rock, cleaning its feathers with slow precision. The wind moves past its body, carrying the scent of stone and pine. Here, high above the noise, it rests in readiness. Stillness, for the eagle, is not weakness but power gathered. To live in the sky is to belong to another world. The eagle knows no borders or walls, guided only by instinct. Its realm is silence and vastness. When storms rise, it climbs higher, above the clouds, where sunlight still burns. It does not fear the storm, it learns from it. Humans have long seen the eagle as a symbol of strength. But true strength lies in its patience, not aggression. It waits for the right moment. Freedom, for the eagle, is harmony with the forces around it, not defiance of them. Power is born from balance. From the eagle's view, mountains stretch endlessly, rivers glimmer like silver threads. The world below looks small, quiet, and fragile. Our boundaries, our noise, fade into the earth's gentle hum. The eagle reminds us that we are only a part of a far greater whole. As daylight fades, the eagle returns to its perch. The setting sun paints its feathers in bronze and fire. Night will soon cover the land, but the eagle does not fear the dark. It knows dawn will come again, bringing new winds, new challenges, and another flight. The eagle is more than a creature of the wild. It is a story written in wind and silence. Watching it reminds us of where we come from, of what nature once was. Pure, untamed, magnificent. Though we walk on earth, part of us will always long to follow it into the open sky.